What's your speeding?
No. I'm asking my door.
Move forward. Yeah, we got him here. 6 o'clock.
Knock on my window like that, man. Don't knock on
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Don't knock on my window.
Why don't you have your seatbelt on?
Knock on my window like that, no.
Like what?
Don't knock on my window like that.
Why you have it up?
Don't knock on my window like that.
Why you have it up? I have to knock to let you know I'm here.
Don't knock
That
on
way you
my
can
window.
lower it and talk to
Just
you.
get my ticket, bro, so I can go. I'm finna be late, gang. Do what you gotta do.
Keep it down. Hey! Keep your window down. Hey! Keep your window down.
Don't tell me what.
Keep your window down. I'm gonna get you out of the car. As a matter of fact, get out of the car.
Give me that.
Get out of the car.
Give me that. I'm gonna break that freaking window.
Get out of the car.
I'm finna get out.
Get out of the car right now. We're not playing this game. Get out.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Damn. What part of blood are you in this car? Hey, Drew, I'm getting arrested, Drew. I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested, Drew. I'm getting out, bro. God damn, twin.
When we tell you to do something, you do it. You understand?
I'm getting out,
You
bro.
understand? Not when you want or when we tell you. You're a little fucking confused.
I'm getting out, bro.
Too late.
Chill, bro.
Too late.
Alright, bro. Take
Too
me to
late.
jail, bro. Do what you gotta do, bro.
We are. We will.
Good, bro.
It is good.
Hey.
Don't worry about it. I hung up the phone. You stop crying.
Bro. Alright.
Come on.
Good. Bro, you beating on my window like you crazy. You know, beating on my window like y'all crazy for. Damn, y'all, bro, dude beating on my window like he crazy. I ain't do nothing, twin. Dang. Hey, hold on, pull to the side, though, dude. Have a seat. I'm gonna have a seat. Hey.
Have a seat.
I'm finna.
Right? No, you're doing it now. Go.
Hold on, twin, hold on, bro. I just had surgery on my knee. I just had surgery on my knee, bro. I just had surgery on my knee, bro.
I just heard you in your ears when we come here with the window down.
Chill, bro. Hey, don't do, bro.
Back up.
Hey, call Drew. Hey, call Drew, bro. Call Drew, bro. Call Drew,
Get back.
Hey, call Drew, bro.
I'm telling you, go back.
Hey, call Drew, bro. Just call Drew.
Go back.
Hey.
Pass a car.
Hey, yeah, well, I ain't going nowhere. Hey.
You wanna be
Y'all really just hit me though.
Alright,
For
then
what
come
though?
We're not
Hey,
playing
they
this game.
really just hit me though. For what though?
It's not your
Y'all
business.
beating on my window and stuff like that,
It's not
man.
your business. Keep going back.
I'm chilling though. I ain't be disrespectful to nobody though. Like,
Hey, get back to your car before you get a ticket.
can you tell me to cut my
Get
car
back
up?
in your car and leave.
Hey,
You gotta
sir,
go
can you
before you
cut?
get a ticket.
Relax. Stay right there, bro.
Who's the driver?
Why y'all on 10 though today?
Move. You gotta move right now.
Hey, don't leave, don't leave.
Let me
Hey,
have your license. Get a ticket. Let me
Hey,
have
don't
your
do.
license.
Don't.
I'm not playing. Let me have your license. Your license right now.
Hey, don't do.
Your license
Don't
right
leave,
now.
don't do.
You're not gonna
Don't
get your
leave.
license.
He's gonna park the car. He can come.
You're not gonna get your license. Let me have your license. Your license right now. Hey,
Why
your
they on
license
10 though?
right now.
Why the
I'm gonna
police
lock
on
your
10 today?
license right now.
Huh?
Your license right now.
What is that, man?
Huh?
Your
He
license
come
right
up
now.
10.
Nah, like, dude was beating on my. I said, bro, don't be beating on my
playing this
window
game.
like that, bro. Like, what's going on? Huh?
All right, go get your license.
Y'all good today or what?
Close that door.
We great, bro.
Oh, good. I'm glad y'all having a great day though. I'm happy.
Right there, man. Stop the moving around, bro. You good?
I ain't finna run, but you can let me go though. I just wanna look around. Hey, hold on, bro. I can look around, right? But I can look around though, right?
It's on camera that you're moving, you're tensing
But-
up, and you're moving away from that controller, are you?
But no, I'm not. I can't run.
Okay.
I'm not gonna run, bro.
Make sure you don't run.
I promise you I ain't gonna run, bro. Shit. If I wanted to run, I would have been ran. Shit, bro, not grab me by my neck. Shit. Hey, don't do. Hey, stay back. Don't do, stay back. Stay back, bro. But don't leave though. I'm talking about dude done, hey, dude done choked me out and everything over some crack. Hey, I'm finna get, hey, hey, I don't even gotta, hey.
Why is he acting up
They
like
got
that?
me a handcuff for what though?
Huh?
Dude talking about some I was speeding.
Oh, yeah?
I was going 50 miles per hour. Hey, it's a great way to start out the 2024, right? Huh? You said what? What you talking about?
Yeah.
Hey, Khaled. Nah, bro. Hey.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Hey, no. Well, look, hey, I can't even talk to Khaled.
Get in your car and leave. Avoid this. Get in your car and leave.
Hey, stay right there. Hey, pull your phone out for me. Pull your phone out. Pull your phone out. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I'm talking about, bro. My whole knee hurt right now, bro. Nope. I can't even move.
Move the car, sir, please. Please move the car.
Hold on. How come he getting locked up? What? What, bro? Hey, call Drew, bro. Call Drew, bro. Alright, man, appreciate that, bro. I'm just gonna sit right here. Bro, I'm not gonna run, bro. I promise.
You was
I
speeding
promise
too
I ain't
fast.
gonna run, bro. I'm wanted in 50 states already. Bro, so how come nobody holding him but you holding me? You see that? Look, turn around, look. Hey, bro, you grabbing my shoulder too hard.
Did I fucking tell you to stop moving?
Hey, no, hey.
I just told you to stop moving, but you want to play victim here.
This is uncomfortable, though.
Okay?
You don't understand
I told you,
how uncomfortable
sit
this is.
upright. There you go. Sit upright and that's it, right?
I'm gonna tell you like
Stop
this, bro.
moving.
Look, your job is to serve and protect, right? You're doing a horrible job of protecting right now, bro. I told you I'm not gonna run nowhere. For what? What am I gonna? That's only gonna make this matters worse, right?
You have a green light? I don't know. Oh.
God damn, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that for letting me go. That's all I wanted. You squeezing me 2 times. I can move though.
You
I can move. You don't tell me what to do. You don't tell me what to do.
No, you're gonna do something that's gonna give you love of command.
Well,
you're not gonna move.
You don't tell me what to do. You're not finna squeeze on me.
Against what I just told you.
Well, you squeeze me. You squeeze me how you want to. You think you can talk crazy to anybody? Have you lost your mind? Hey, don't get arrested. Don't get arrested. Hey, my knee bug. My fucking knee hurt. Can I lay down?
No, just right there.
Nah, my knee hurt though. I got tendonitis. I can lay back on my back. My fucking knee hurt, bro.
Do you have anything on you, by the way?
Like what?
I'm asking. Do you have anything on you?
Like what?
Keys, phone, any other phones?
I got a weapon on me.
Really?
It was 39.
Oh, man. Man, I thank God for this, bro.
Hey, come over here. Hey, hold this real quick.
Hey, hold
I don't know if he wants to play game, but he has a big weapon on him.
It's my tattoo. I got a 9 on it. I got a tattoo of a 9 on it. Okay, now
Sit up.
Nah, my knee hurting, bro.
Donnie, asking what you use it for.
Look, if I sit up, sir, my knees are bent like this. I got tendonitis in my knee. You ain't no athlete, though. You ain't no athlete, though. Look at it. How much Drew is?
That's just a boost.
You said what? Appreciate it, bro. Damn. Can I stand up like him? Nah, hell no. Nah, don't write me a ticket, sir. Cause look, that dude, hold on. No, I'm not playing today, bro, cause that dude fucked my knee up. Like, he really tackled me on my knee on the damn cement, bro. Like, hold on, can I stand up? Can I stand up? Can I stand up, though? Can I stand up? Nah, dude tackled me on my fucking knee, bro. Like, he really hit me on my knee on the cement shit.
Bro.
No, so look, he told me to pull over, right? And I pulled over, he was like, why ain't the seatbelt on? I'm like, sir, was I speeding? He was like, nah. He was like, yo, you was speeding. I'm like, sir, I was going 55 in a 40. Okay, that's cool. I was like, okay, write me a ticket. Write me a ticket so I can go. He was like, so like he started walking away. I let my window back up and I put my seatbelt on, right? So he was like, oh, put your window. I said, I'm not gonna put my window down, bro. I'm not, bro. I'm finna call Drew. So I called Drew. You know Drew Brooks, right? So I called Drew to make sure everything was straight. He started getting hostile. He's like, get out the car, get out the car. I said, bro, for what? Let me call Drew first. Give me 1 second, sir. I never once got out of control or nothing. But then they pulled me out the car, slammed me on my knee, and he fucked my knee up again, dog. I got tendonitis again, bro. Like my whole knee fucked up as it is. So really, bro. Hey, can you take these off me, though? Please. Hey, you should have been here. You should have been here.
Done?
Hey, I'm not playing today. All because of y'all. But I appreciate the check y'all gave me, though. I appreciate the check you gave me. Appreciate it.
Doesn't seem like you need it, man. You got a McLaren,
I don't give a damn about none of that, bro. Hey. Hey, stay right there. Pull your camera out. Pull your camera out. Thank you, guys. They're arrested. Hey, thank you. They slammed me on the ground, bro.
Keep going.
Nah. That's crazy, bro. I'm talking about, bro. I don't want no shit like that, bro. That's real embarrassing of y'all, bro. For dude to slam me on my knee like that. Like, he a whole, like... Huh? What?
Driving reckless behind the turnpike. That's the reason they called out your vehicle. So you were driving reckless.
But that don't still give you no reason to pull me, snatch me out my car, do it? Do that?
He admitted everything 5-5.
Huh? Do that give you a reason? Do that give you a reason to snatch you out? Do that give you a reason to snatch me out my car? Do that give you a reason to snatch me out my car?
Wait over there, man.
Do that give you a reason to snatch me out my car? Do that give you a reason to snatch me out my car? Hey, look, how do you... You got proof of that, sir?
Over there. You can film all you want from over there.
You got 25 feet from us. Hey!
Let's go. Move.
Mike, stay off.
Move.
Talking about I'm driving reckless. Look at this one. Hey! I know you want to say Hey, that's a tough guy right there. Hey, that's a tough guy right there. Appreciate it.
Hey, relax.
Hey, you don't tell me to relax, man. Bro, you don't tell me to relax, man. You been squeezing the hell out my neck. You don't tell me to relax.
Big muscular man. So I'm look at the squad guy.
I'm big muscular man. Okay. How about you show how muscular you are, Mr. Dump? I'm driving reckless, bro. Dude done slam me on my knee. I don't give you. Like, let me slam him on his knee like that. I bet his ass be complaining.
I mean, go on mute.
Write me a ticket for catching me speeding right there. Right there. That way he caught me speeding right there. 55 mile per hour.
Absolutely.
Write me a ticket right there. Right over there. Mr. Tough Guy right there. Hey, Mr. Tough Guy, what's your name? Hey, Mr. Tough Guy, what's your name? Goddamn.
He's more like
goddamn
he raises the window.
man.
Knock on the window again. Keep your window down.
No, ma'am.
Keep your window down. You know what? At this point, get out of the car. When I get you out of the car, you just get out of the car. That's right.
I'm just being a black man, that's it. I'm just being black in America, bro. That's all it
We're
is.
dark too, brother. We're people of color too. Don't play like that.
I'm just being a black man in America, bro. In a nice car. That's it. Come on, man. That's it. Let me get right in my team, man. Do whatever you gotta do. Hey, he done fucked my whole day up with that one. He done fucked my whole day up with that one, bro. Hey, Drew, appreciate it. Oh, my bro.
good.
Hey.
I'll stay. I'm gonna stay here with you, Joe. Okay, just me. Give us a few.
Hey, yeah, come on.
Your tag is expired, okay? You're standing and stopping your car where you're not supposed to. Get a citation, sir. You can't take a report, traffic school, you can pay for it.
Traffic case discussion.
Whose phone was this?
What?
Whose phone was this? Whose phone was this?
Is that? Hold on, let me see. Yeah, that's his.
That's him?
Yeah, that's it.
Hey, keep moving. Keep moving. Harder. Keep going. Keep moving. Keep moving.
What's the white?
Case discussion. You have the tickets already done?
I'm gonna do it now.
Get them going.
All these cops. Hey, the nigga pulled me out of my car and slammed me on my fucking head. Ooh, which one?
Mom, we're okay.
Cops, bro. Oh, God.
We're gonna stroke the ticket. I need Chad to take a couple pictures of him and calm down. And then he's going his merry way, but we're gonna document shit. Yeah. Yeah, they're documenting some force, but you know, look at that. Yeah, look at that. I don't know right now.
Hello.
Another day, another day.
I'm good, twin.
This is why this needs to be on 939. This needs to be on 939. I agree. That's bullshit. Admitted him 5-5. He admitted him 5-5.
Those are mine? No, those are Donnie.
Mine.
Those are Donnie. Or Lee. What do you got? Seatbelt and speedy? Yeah, I hit him with Curtis. Okay. Visual estimation.
Okay, sir, how are you?
So that's what he's getting, the Curtis driving, and that's it. Okay, perfect. No. The ring. Okay, discussion.
Traffic.
You're not wearing my seatbelt. Hey, I'll see y'all in the parking lot. All right.
Oh, we're gonna write something.